Engineering Update. I'm Casey Panetta, Managing Editor of ECN. In this week's episode, the Royal Navy's newest submarine, a new type of windshield wiper, and a detection system for lung cancer. The British Royal Navy has released a computer-generated image of their next potential addition to the fleet. The nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarines, known as Successors, are being designed by BAE Systems maritime submarines via two contracts worth £47 million and £32 million. What? Powered by a Rolls-Royce PWR3 nuclear reactor, the Successors are promised to be one of the stealthiest submarines in the world. The submarine will have 12 missile tubes for Trident D5 missiles. Interestingly, because the US is also looking to replace its own Ohio-class submarines, the two countries have teamed up to develop the common missile compartment. If approved by Parliament, the submarines are slated to serve from 2028 until the 2060s. As for other implications of the submarines, the project is currently employing 2,000 people with an expected peak of 6,000 people. Of those 2,000 currently employed, over 50% are working as engineers and designers. McLaren made an interesting announcement this week, stating that the company would be dumping traditional windshield wipers in favor of a newer technology utilized in fighter jets. Though the exact system hasn't been confirmed, it's most likely a reference to the high-frequency electronic systems utilized in airplanes, according to gadget site Gizmodo. The system works by utilizing sound waves to create a vibrating ultrasonic force on the windshield. The waves act as a sort of force field around the windshield and repel water, insects, mud, or whatever else might get stuck. If you can't swing the $250,000 you'll need to purchase a McLaren, you might be in luck. Some believe this technology will soon be headed to mass market. Early detection is key when it comes to fighting cancer, and a new technology in the UK could be the breakthrough in lung cancer the medical world has been waiting for. The device, whose development will take place over the next 3 years, is a breathalyzer that will be utilized in pharmacies. Created at the University of Huddersfield in the UK, the breathalyzer will be able to detect a specific biomarker signature that is indicative of lung cancer. The early detection factor is especially exciting, as lung cancer accounts for 6% of all deaths in the UK. And one of the problems is that by the time diagnosis occurs, the disease has progressed past the point of help. Researchers hope that once the tool is developed, they'll be able to use pharmacies as a point of diagnosis. That wraps up this week's episode. Be sure to join in the conversation on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. I'm Casey Panetta, and this has been your Engineering Update.